Welcome back to Bike Plus. Today we are exploring something beyond bikes and cars, a next-generation aerial beast, the 2026 Mikoyan MiG-41. Rumored to be Russia's most advanced interceptor, this aircraft is expected to replace the legendary Mikoyan MiG-31. Let's dive into what makes the MiG-41 one of the most talked about future fighter jets in the world. Design and technology. The MiG-41, also known as PAK DP, Prospective Aviation Complex for Long-Range Interception, is designed as a sixth-generation interceptor. Reports suggest it could feature stealth shaping, advanced radar-evading materials, and possibly optional unmanned capability. Unlike traditional fighter jets, this aircraft is expected to focus heavily on extreme speed and high-altitude performance. Some sources even claim it may operate near the edge of space, giving it unmatched interception capability. If true, that would make it one of the fastest combat aircraft ever developed. Engine and speed capabilities. One of the biggest highlights of the MiG-41 is its expected hypersonic speed. Experts speculate it could reach speeds above Mach 4, far beyond most current fighters. For comparison, even the powerful Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor operates at significantly lower maximum speeds. Advanced engines and heat-resistant materials will likely play a key role in achieving this performance. The aircraft may also carry next-generation long-range missiles designed to neutralize enemy threats before they even come close. Weapons and combat role. The MiG-41 is expected to carry hypersonic air-to-air missiles, anti-satellite weapons, and advanced electronic warfare systems. Its primary mission will likely be long-range interception, protecting vast airspace regions. This makes it more of a strategic defender rather than a traditional dogfight-focused fighter. Final thoughts. While the 2026 MiG-41 remains under development and surrounded by secrecy, it promises revolutionary speed, power, and next-level technology.